Hi everybody, my name is Liza Leibovich. I am the Center Manager of Theraplay's Bensalem location and I'm also a physical therapist. I'm happy to be giving everyone a tour today of our newly expanded Bensalem space. So our new space contains a gym for the little guys, and we also have two sets of stairs. One set that's carpeted to make stair negotiation easier for our babies, and another set of stairs that has grips on it, which makes it a little bit easier for our patient population who is learning to do stairs for the first time or learning to do stairs following an accident. Our newly expanded space has two low mat tables. These are used primarily for younger patients, for toddlers, or for our patients who are coming in a wheelchair to make transfers easier. This space also has a bunch of small tables set up, all socially distanced apart, so that our occupational therapists and our speech therapists can perform treatment in an open space to mimic a school-based environment or community environment. Our newly expanded Bensalem space also has the benefit of 4 sensory gyms, so we're going to take you on a tour of one of them right now. So this is one of our sensory gyms, and all of our sensory gyms are set up to allow us to make the space what we want with it. So we have crash mats on the floor. They each have a swing hookup in the ceiling as well, so that we can work on vestibular input. And then this sensory gym actually has our brand new jungle gym to help kids learn how to climb and crawl and work towards some of those playground skills. And one of the beauties of our new space, we have a lot of small treatment rooms to make for individualized treatment. Most of our treatment rooms have been equipped with two-way mirrors as well to allow for parents to see into the session without physically being present for those kiddos who have a difficult time separating from their parents. So that way the parents can sit in and they can observe the session from a quiet distance. It also allows us to assist with mentorship for our staff as well, so that we can have the supervisor sitting in, observing the session, giving feedback as needed throughout. One of the best things for me personally as a physical therapist, we have a second large gym for our older population at the Bensalem location. So this gym is equipped with our weight rack, our total gym, our treadmill, our bike, a mat table, and lots of open space so that we can treat our older patients with a little bit of privacy away from some of the little guys as well. Our new space also contains 2 of what we call our toy garages. So this one has more of the games and toys, as well as orthopedic equipment that we can be using throughout the session with our older patients. We have one set up on each side of the space to make for ease of use and for patients to have diverse materials to play with each session. One of our brand new pieces of equipment in our newly expanded Bensalem location is our parallel bars to help with your child's ability to learn to walk. And so we have height adjustable benches that help with the sit-to-stand transition, as well as parallel bars to help them learn to take their first steps. So our space also has a lot of small treatment rooms. We have our rooms set up so that you can make them what you want them. So each room has a table and chair set up, child size for the patients, adult size for parents as well. Each room also has a mat on the floor. That way you can design the treatment space for each session and each individual child, bringing in items that you want for the treatment session and taking out items that you don't want for the treatment session. And this is where all the magic happens. So this is our large toy garage. This is equipped with anything and everything that your child could want. We have toys and games, fine motor and manipulatives, scooters, obstacle course equipment, as well as bolsters, slides, and swings to use during our treatment sessions. And our Bensalem space is also equipped with 2 infant gyms to treat our younger patients. We try to keep everything as nice and clean as possible for the little ones, so shoes are removed prior to entering these rooms. They're supplied with mats on the floor, as well as infant and toddler toys, a cruising bench, and a mirror on the wall to assist with the infants to see themselves. Our Bensalem space also is equipped with our own feeding room that has all kinds of seating and positioning devices for the little ones, and a separate space that we can make sure that your child meets their feeding needs. This is another one of our 4 sensory gyms. This is one of our larger sensory gyms, and again, it is equipped with crash mats on the floor, a swing hookup to allow for a swing, as well as a wedge and a barrel and bean bags to make this room optimal to meet your child's sensory needs. So our newly expanded space also has a newly expanded waiting room as well. So this is meant to accommodate our growing Bensalem location. Our waiting room has a rotating monthly board that has something fun and themed for the patients to see when they walk in. We're also equipped with a parent resource board as well to let families know of any upcoming family fun events, such as our family friendly yoga, which we hosted at the Bensalem location. And then we also have our TV that lists all of our locations, all of the hours that they're being seen, and anything new that applies to Theraplay that we would want all of our families to know. At Theraplay, we treat physical, occupational, speech therapy. We also have a feeding program, a concussion program, and an amplified pain program. We look forward to meeting you at our Bensalem Center and meeting all of your child's needs.